All right, so we're still on our laws of Mezuzah. Okay, almost closer to the end, I would say. So it's Siman number 11. And halacha number 18. So it says, on the entrance of the place in which children who soil themselves are occasionally found, or in a place in which people occasionally wash themselves or urinate there, one should cover the mezuzah. However, only for occasional, temporary uses, we do not rely on the covering of the mezuzah. But as far as designated those places for attenuated use, for example, to set up a container for a sewage water, one may not rely on a covering of the mezuzah. Peace hit Teshuvah, citing Yad Ketana. Okay, 1 second, there is one commentary. One should not thus regularly use the room with the mezuzah, even one that one is covered such degrading use. Okay, so basically, our mezuzah case is considered to be covering. So usually, what they do, they put it in a plastic. So you buy mezuzah scroll, and they put it in a wrap in a plastic. So this plastic is one covering, and mezuzah case it's like a sack, so it's two covering. Of course, if like it says here, if people go to the bathroom in that room, like they had children go to the bathroom, let's say in a house. I mean, if it's a regular room, like a children's room, and they go to the bathroom, there is no problem, especially if we have double covering. Okay. So continue. But that room is not only for the bathroom. It's like the child sleeps there, eats there, so he also goes to the bathroom. Okay. So continue. Number 19. The entrance of a house, and also a courtyard, in which the idolater also lives, is exempt from requiring mezuzah. Interesting. Okay, commentary. Shach explained that affixing mezuzah in such a case can lead to the danger for the Jewish residents or desecration of mezuzah itself. So why is it danger? One more time. The entrance of the house is also a courtyard in which the idolater also lives. Is exempt from required mezuzah. Maybe it's like a common courtyard, and I'm not sure. Tell the truth, I'm not sure where's the problem. So one mussar Shach explains that affixing mezuzah in such a case can lead to the danger to Jewish residents. Maybe they otherwise they did not know that these people are Jews. Maybe mezuzah was covered, somehow hidden, but now it's like a common entrance. So now this non-Jew sees that the neighbors are Jews, or he can, as it says, as Shach says, maybe he's going to destroy mezuzah. So basically, it is exempt. Okay. So if he's normal goys, I mean, there's no problem. Okay.